Hello, welcome to DTechBro.
In this video, I am going to introduce you to Python.
In this video, you are going to learn why you should learn Python, the prerequisites, installing Python in your local machine,
and development environment I use for this course.
Let us see why we should learn Python. Python is known for its popularity. It is one of the most used programming languages. It is free and open source. This means you can change the source code of Python and you can also contribute to Python community. Python is very simple and it is easy to learn. Python is used in almost every technology such as web development, machine learning, data science, and many more. Absolutely, no experience needed. You should know how to perform day-to-day computing tasks such as opening a folder, file, and what is the extension of the file, etc. To install Python in your machine, go to the link given below, and follow my instructions. Go to www.python.org/downloads. Click on the Download Python 3.9.0, which is the latest version of Python. Once you have downloaded, open the folder that contains downloaded file, and double-click the icon to open it. Make sure you ticked Add Python to Path and click Install Now. That's it. You've finished installing Python. To check, go to the command prompt, type python -- version. Next, we are going to use Visual Studio Code as our IDE. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment. Please subscribe and share to your friends.